How cute is this? Let's recap. This company is so cute. They did such an incredible job with the artwork on this. It looks so much like my picture, and yet, I don't know, has like, you know, a modern take on it. I really like it. And then, this is what it looks like on the black. This is so incredibly soft. I cannot get over that. It's going to hold up really well. I do think it will retain color really well since it's just such a good quality fabric. And then look at the ribbing. So just really well done. I'll just trim that. So I ordered mine in a medium, and we have his in a large. The design is exactly the same. A person could order 2 different designs, and there's also an option to add wording on there, such as my love, or put a heart, or you could put a funny message with a funny picture too. That would be so fun. I'm really into this. Can't wait to wear it. This is when you know it's going to be super soft inside. I have something. Check it out. Which one do you think is for you?
Black.
Try it on.
Oh, how thoughtful. We're matches.
I was hoping you'd say that, otherwise I had to. Isn't that so nice?
Yep.
Actually, this fabric is incredible. I would never have guessed. I would never have guessed it'd be so soft.
You look great.
I like it. They're so cute.